Hi guys! Sir Joffrey here. Uh, Welcome to my vlog. Ito din yung vlog. This is an appreciation video. Simple thank you to all my pupils, parents, and kadugtong paghatag sa isip tribute sa Teacher's Day. This was given this morning in our Teacher's Day celebration. Gusto sa ipaabot sa mga pupils na these are well appreciated o ginabasa na mo tanan nila cards, tanan nila messages. So as a proof, let's open them one by one. First is, of course, we will separate the flowers and the cards. Of course, yung mga flowers na yung mga chocolates, Maria's Danny. So after sa separate kay makaon man, this was given by, this flower is a very nice flower given by, Krisha. Hi Chris, muna siya imong gilabay ganina. Sana kayong pagkahatag. Ikaw na yun. So ato siya i-separate ang gihatan na chocolate kay makaon man niya siya. Thank you Chris, Krisha Macaranas. Krista Jade, Charlie Krista Jade Macaranas Valiar. Wow, na siya Chocomucho, and of course Cloudness. Shout out sa mga companies na will endorse. So there is a flower, a very nice flower, cutesy, very demure, and of course more flowers, yellow and blue, and a card that says from Krisha to Sir Joffrey. Let's read what is inside. Oh, here it is. Okay, Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day, Sir Joffrey. Thank you for all and guide to teaching us, and I hope you always happy. And sorry kay agpabadlong mi sa imo. I hope may padayon nimo ang imo pagtulo. Hawas sa kanang video mi. So daghan na kay kwan sa ka-intriga na nimo pagsin ako. Pero thank you Krisha. This is from Krisha. Charlie Krisha Valiar. Okay, Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you, Chris. Basa na siya. The design is like a uniform. It's a uniform. Okay, so ito na siya i-separate ang card and ang flowers. The flowers can be utilized. So ito siya ikuan. Kaya ito pala siya i-separate later. Separate ang mga flowers. Another flower, this one. So, ito din siya i-separate para mabuto natin sa altar. The altar. Or the red flowers sa altar. Of course, this one has no name in it, but thank you. This is a minute. This one, we have also peanut given by a mother, no? Mama ni Anami de la Linia. So, salamat sa mani. Actually, nagpabiban ako ganina. Since sasakitan sila, so ako na lang po giya taga-tagan. So ako sa ginigipang tagaan sa kakumkum. So here it is, a peanut. Thank you. Favorite one. Nasa separate. This one is very cute. See, we have 2 hellos, no? 2 chocolate and 2 ball pens. But the very cute kayo. I don't know kung pinsa wala may name, but thank you guys. So una natin sa danan sa chocolate. But I guess sa ballpen lang sa siguro na siya kaya chocolate makaon niya. So ang ballpen diha para mas ma-preserve. So separate na natin. The second one is this one, the card, very cute. This is from Stuart Jules, a grade 6 pupil of mine in TLE, and a very cute ball pen also. So we will separate the ball pen from the card. Okay, magamit pa na to ang ball pen. No, very cute kay ang ball pen. So, natin sila na sa ball pen para sa ilang mga grades na natin masulat. And the card as well. The card will be stored. Ito na siya ibutang sa bag asa makip sila. So we will separate them together with this. This one is another bouquet of flowers and chocolates. This one is given to us by Lorvino. We have Lorvino. Hi Lorvino. Thank you for this bouquet. Happy Teacher's Day, Sir Joffrey Ladam. That's it. That's the message. And we will separate the chocolates. Kain on one siya. Oh, there you go. We have 1, 2, and 3. Gaya naman taniya, gikapoy mo ko guys. So, just woke up. Say, grabe. Kakapoy. 3. And a very cute flower again, just like Krisha's flower a while ago. So, ito na siya separate. And the card as well, we will get this card. Diyan na, di ba siya matangka. Second one is this one, a very cute. See this? Oh, we will open it slowly. Happy Teacher's Day to Sir Dada. There's a surprise. What's the message inside this flower card? Happy Teacher's Day, Sir Joffrey. Thank you for teaching us. An unknown name at all. Hindi ko alam kung sino ang may-ari. But thank you for giving this card. We will keep this one. Another card. And a long message in it. Happy Teacher's Day, Sir. Maraming salamat po. Mga mahal namin guro, sa lipunang puno ng hamon, kayo ang naging inspirasyon. Hindi ninyo kami iniwanan. Ang lalim. Noong kami nangangailangan, hindi nyo kami sinupuan para kami... Hindi ko na mabasa. Ang sunod na lubusan. 10 buwan po kayong nagtitiis. So, it's not yet done. We're halfway through it. And 10 buwan kayo nagtitiis sa trabaho, walang mintis. Wow, may rhyme. Pilit na nagtsatsaga, makakuha lang ng leksyon ang tulad namin mga musmos na batay. Hahamakin niyo ang lahat. Patuloy na magpupuyat, kaharap ang laptop at aklat. Kayo'y nagkakandaguga kung ano ang gagawin kong pamilya ba o naiwang aralin ang uunahin. Daig niyo pa ang siyam na planeta, libutin niyo man ang mundo. Ang lalim. Ang isip niyo ay sa sarili, ay sa aralin. I-google yung sa trabaho, aralin na kasentro. Walang oras ang ginugugol niyo sa trabaho. Nagtuturo kayo sa munting entablado at 7 araw na babad sa trabaho ng minamahal naming guro. Kumusta po kayo? So that's the message. This one is a very nice message for all the teachers out there. Actually, we are in the grade 6 and we are we are 7 teachers. So I think the message is not just for me, but for all the teachers out there, teaching them from Angel Lara. Oh, Angel Lara has a nice message for us teachers. Thank you, to be kept. And the next one is this very cute. See, there's a picture, and of course, this one is on a balloon as a. Very creative. There are diamonds and jewelries. See my picture there and a message and a ball pen. We will get the ball pen. Okay, magamit man siya. This one, another. Oh, the brand. Nanatay dagan siya ball pen, guys. Hindi ko problema dahil pag sa silang grado. Then the message, thank you for sparkling our creativity and critical thinking to my ever energetic and diligent teacher, Sir Joffrey. Happy Teacher's Day from John GBD. Thank you, John GBD. A former pupil sa grade 4. Now, ako yung advisor sa grade 6. Grade 6 na 6. Thank you, very nice. You keep this one. Of course, as well as this one, very nice. Happy Teacher's Day from Card Ruin. See the card. Okay na kabi. Pahawi. Ato paspasan palit na mahuman. Then we will open it. Oh, there are. Oh. There is something in there. But to the best teacher that inspires us and the best among the best. There, sir, you are the best teacher I've ever had. It always makes learning fun and we enjoy it. I wish that you will have wisdom, prosperity and kindness. May God give you blessing and love, and may this year give you look at a new beginning. May the days enjoy you, and thank you for inspiring us to keep working hard for our future. May you keep learning children and inspire them like you did for us. This is from Car Bruen. Thank you, Car Bruen. Very nice. Very nice message. I love it. And of course, there is a surprise at the left side of this card. We have it here. Let's open. Let's say open it. What's the biggest surprise? Oh, can you see the color? My God, we have here a bill. Oh my God, thank you, Car Bruen, for the 20 peso bill. Okay, makapay titing bugas. Kaya gisabi itong na 20 ang kilo sa bugas. So we will wait for a 20 peso kilo rice for this to be utilized. So this will be placed also here. Kaya ito pa magamit later on. So thank you, Car Bruen, for this very nice card. Amazing. This one is another card and there is something in it. I think we should open it. This is coming from B. Wait lang. Ikaw kay B. And there we go. We have here from Marvis Rania. Dear Sir Dada. Oh, there's something in there, so we will open it somewhere here. So there it go. And there is a surprise inside. Oh, and the message of love. Okay, there is Sir Joffrey from Marvi S. Rania. Sir, happy Teacher's Day, Sir Joffrey, and thank you for the TLE subject para naami matunan. Thank you, Kaiser. Thank you din, Marvi. Thank you for this wonderful letter. We will keep this one. I will also place it back. And here, another is this card with a very beautiful yellow flowers. This is coming from, says Happy Teacher's Day, Sir Joffrey. Coming from Mary Angel. Oh, Mary Angel. Dear teacher, I wish you a happy Teacher's Day. Thank you for being the guide and for inspiring me to do well in my studies. Your guidance and wisdom have been a light on my path. I am grateful to be your student in grade 4. Thank you. And she is also a student of mine in grade 6. But I'm a subject teacher sa Ilaha, sa TLE. Thank you for being an amazing teacher. With gratitude, Mary Angel. Thank you, Mary Angel. Amazing. This one, another ball pen and a very cute card. Oh, a pink one. This is coming from Rhea. Hi, Rhea. Thank you for this. A gift and a card. It says here, be better than 1,000 days of diligent study is one day with a great teacher, Japanese proverb. Happy Teacher's Day, Sir Joffrey. We will get this, Rhea, to separate siya sa card. Very cute. Ilang itong butangan sa ila. So, more on ball pens. Sa kung madawtan ka nga one, guys, ilalagay ko ipasulat sa grado. Murag wala nagi rason nga ay dili mo agi ang ballpen kay naghatag is lang ballpen. So here is it will be kept. This one is another card. Happy Teacher's Day, Sir Joffrey, from Julia May Estrada. Okay, to Sir Joffrey. There's Sir Joffrey. Sir, thank you for teaching us and keeping us safe. Thanks because you are good for us. We are sorry for our bad behavior for good reason. Thank you, Julia May Estrada. This will be kept. Another was this. Another card. I think this is a very cute one. We have oh, can you see? Can you read it? Happy Teachers, but then there is an exciting part. You want to see? Okay, I will open it here, and there you go, the surprise. Oh, very creative. This one is coming from and even the penmanship, guys, is very creative. This is coming from Victoria. Okay, Victoria. The influence of a good teacher can never be erased. A teacher takes a hand, opens the mind, touches a heart. And of course, a very creative one. He draw This one. How colorful and creative. And of course, to close it formally, we'll just have to but thank you, Victoria. A very creative one. This will be kept. And this one, how yun na be? How yun na? I think how is that? How is that? How yun na? Okay, we will have gihawian na kong love. So we will have part 2